In this video, I'll show you step by step how you can upload photos or pictures on Pinterest, easy and simple. So let's get started. So first, you just need to open your Pinterest account like this. Go to your Pinterest homepage, and to upload a picture on Pinterest, just click here on home feed, okay? And click on create pin, okay? This option, guys. Click on create pin like this, and here you go. So what you will do next, you will click on this icon over here and choose the picture that you want to upload. So for example, I want to upload this picture in my Pinterest account. I will click here on open, choose the picture from your laptop, click on open, and here you go. That's exactly, guys, how you can upload pictures in your Pinterest account. It's super easy and simple. So you will just need to put your title and description and the link if you have a link, and the board, you need to choose a board, your tags. Once you finish, you will just click on publish, and your picture or your photo will be published on Pinterest. That's exactly how you can upload photos or pictures on Pinterest. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.